friends, this is Seema here from Paper Passions and wish you all a very happy New Year 2017. Today we are making a stack die card where I will be using the word dream as my die. So I have chosen 7 colors. We will stack all the die cuts on top of each other. So I've used 7 colors of the rainbow to start, and this is my first project of this new year. So um, the word dream just seems apt for it. So what I have done is I've taken 4 inches by 5 and a quarter inch pieces of cardstock in 7 colors of the rainbow. You can choose any colors as you want or any color combinations. That actually was inspired by a video that I saw on Jennifer Maguire's channel. I'll link that video here in the description below. So I'm using this word die, and I want all the pieces to have this die cut in the center. So what doing to make sure that I get the placing correct, I am stacking 2 or 3 pieces of cardstock together and taking it through my die cutting machine. What this does is it would cut to through mm, 2 layers of the cardstock, but the third layer it will not cut through completely, and that would just leave an impression. Then I will replace my die and add 2 more layers beneath it to get the proper cut. So that way, if I keep repeating that, I will get all my die cuts completed. So and they will all be at the same place and the same on the all the cardstocks. So the ideal die actually to use for this is a shadow die or a outline die, but since I did not have it, so I'm going to create this silhouette by myself. So to do that, what I'm going to do is once I've cut all the pieces together, what I'll do is I will go ahead and remove the central pieces or the connecting pieces inside. So you will see me doing just that right now. So once all my pieces are done, I'm going to stack them up together and remove the central connecting pieces like I'm going to show you here. Those things you can see. So we will leave the just the outline, and the pieces that the word die cuts that we have taken out from this will also be used on the card itself. So you need to keep them aside. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut away these this into two and stack all the pieces at a little offset so that all the colors are visible. So you will see that I'm just adding glue. I prefer to use liquid glue, quick dry liquid glue, whether it's a Tombow Mono or here I'm using Fevicol, and with a pointed tip or precision tip, so that I can get the glue, a very thin layer of glue where I need it to go. So as you can see there, I'm just trying to place it a little offset. Now I'll do this to both the pieces. Before I did this, I have separated the word uh, the cardstock into two, the lower half and the upper half silhouettes, and then I'm going to layer them as you can see me doing here. I need to do that in the same order as I've done the bottom pieces. As I said earlier, I'm using the rainbow colors and I'm following the same order as in the rainbow. Now I want to, before I go ahead and stick, I prefer to go ahead and check it on to keep the entire stack onto the cardstock or the card base and see how it goes. Here I'm doing it a little faster, but this is what you need to make sure that you have got the spacing correct, so that the die cut word that you have taken out earlier, you will stack that up also and then put it in the center, just like you can see me doing here. Now to finish off the card, I had added the top layer of the word dream. I added some diamond dust and did some stamping, as well as used rub-ons and handmade flowers to decorate and finish the card and to add an interest to this card. So I hope you enjoyed, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great year ahead. Bye bye.